Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to customize Google Analytics 4 setup. Google Analytics 4 is a powerful tool that helps you measure and analyze your website or app's performance. But to get the most out of it, you need to set it up correctly. First, you need to create a Google Analytics 4 property. To do this, sign in to your Google Analytics account and click on the admin button at the bottom left corner of the page. Then, select the account and property you want to work with, and click on the Create Property button. Next, you need to set up data streams. Data streams are the sources of data that Google Analytics 4 collects, such as your website or app. To set up a data stream, click on the Data Streams tab and then click on the Add Stream button. Select the type of data stream you want to set up, such as a web stream or an app stream, and follow the instructions to complete the setup process. After setting up your data streams, you need to configure your measurement settings. Measurement settings determine how Google Analytics 4 collects and processes data from your data streams. To configure your measurement settings, click on the Measurement Settings tab and then click on the Edit button. From here, you can configure settings such as data retention, user ID, and cross-device tracking. Another important step in customizing your Google Analytics 4 setup is to set up events and parameters. Events are user interactions with your website or app, such as clicks or form submissions. And parameters are additional data that you can collect with events, such as the value of a conversion. To set up events and parameters, click on the Events tab and then click on the Create Event button. From here, you can define the event name, parameters, and triggers. You also need to set up conversions, which are the actions you want users to take on your website or app. To set up conversions, click on the Conversions tab and then click on the Create Conversion Event button. From here, you can define the conversion event name, parameters, and triggers. Finally, you need to verify your Google Analytics 4 setup by checking that data is being collected correctly. To do this, click on the Reports tab and then click on the Real-Time Report. From here, you can see if data is being collected in real time. And you can also check the accuracy of your setup by comparing it to your expectations. By following these steps, you can customize your Google Analytics 4 setup to meet your specific needs and get the most out of this powerful tool. Remember to regularly review and update your setup to ensure that it remains accurate and effective.